Hi guys, I'm Christine Picard. It's really nice to have you on my channel because today we're going to talk about the best side hustles that you can have in 2021. Because in these uncertain days, a lot of people are losing their jobs right now because of COVID, and you never know what's going to happen. So you better have some side hustles in order to keep your financial safe. And I can tell you that because I've been there, done that. I've lost my job because of COVID, but I found nice solutions online. So let's dive into this right now. So before we get started, I invite you to subscribe to my channel by clicking just right here and give me some likes, give me some comments. I always reply to all my comments because it keeps me going. I really like it. I know that you're out there and that you like the videos that I'm posting. So thank you guys for doing that. And so let's dive into action. So the first side hustle that I wanted to talk to you about is called affiliate marketing. So I'm into affiliate marketing for the last couple of months, and I can tell you it's the real deal. And I'm really into it, and you can see I'm quite passionate when I talk about affiliate marketing. Why? It's because we call it the lazy online business, and it's not for lazy people because you have to put into work and you have to build your online business. But it's the lazy business model because you don't have to create products. You just have to take other people's offer and sell that. So you just have to drive traffic. You can have a link and you drive traffic to your link, and if people buy that, you're gonna make a commission. You have different kind of affiliate marketing offers. You can have do some commissions per lead. You can do some commission on the total price. You can have upsells as well. So, and it really depends on the company that you're promoting. So you just have to look at the conditions when you sign up for an affiliate offer. So affiliate marketing is definitely a good side hustle for 2021 because you can do that without putting like many hours into it, and you can just be creative and just go with your own personality, and you can just share your passion. So share products that are really meaningful for you. So just go out there and just promote things that relates to your personality, and it's gonna work. You just have to put into work. So if you want to have quick tips about how to dive into affiliate marketing, I would tell you to really take a proper course, because otherwise you're just going to go out there, post links, people are not going to click on it, and you're just going to wonder like why it's happening. So I really suggest you to click on the link below. I'm going to put you a link that is going to lead you to a free ebook, and then you can join the proper training that you want if you want to go into affiliate marketing. The good thing about this training is that you're not going to go through all the wrong steps that your instructors have made. So you're just going to go through the exact step that you have to go through in order to be successful with your affiliate marketing business. So that's really awesome. And trust me, I've tried to do that on my own without any training, and it was just like frustrating. And I was really getting angry about that. So I really suggest you to join a training. You're going to join as well a community, and this community is really responsive. If you have questions, they always reply, and everybody's encouraging everyone into building their online business and celebrating the small successes of everyone. So that's really, really cool. If you want to have different websites for different affiliate offers, you can go to ClickBank. So ClickBank, you can have a ton of different offers that you can promote out there, no matter what your niche is. So you just go to ClickBank, you create your account, and you find the product that you want to promote. You're gonna have everything you need on that website. You can also go to Digistore24. It's a really nice website where you promote mostly digital offers. So it's just the same way as ClickBank works. So you're gonna have anything for any niche. You're really gonna find something that could really gonna relate to you and something that you want to share to the world, so you give some value and you help people, because that's all about it. That's all about helping people solving their issues. So another side hustle that I wanted to talk to you today is to build a digital agency. So building a digital agency is to actually go out there and ask to companies if they need help into their digital strategies. So you become that digital expert, and you can really help leverage companies into their digital strategies in order to grow their business. So it's totally something different compared to affiliate marketing, but you can do a lot of money out of it, and you can do that as a side hustle as well. So it's really something that if you want to dive into, there's a course. You just click on the link below, and you're going to also have the free ebook. And with this course, you can really choose the digital agency millionaire course, and you're really going to learn every steps that you need to learn in order to grow your digital agency. So again, just like the training for affiliate marketing, you're not going to go through all the mistakes that people have made before you. You're just going to go to the right path that could lead you to success. So the third way to have a side hustle in 2021 is to build digital course. So are you passionate about fitness? Are you passionate about cooking? Are you passionate about photography? Are you passionate about yoga? Are you passionate about making a spa work? So whatever your niche is and your domain of expertise is, you can build a digital course, and it's a way to make a lot of money, and you can still have your main job if you want, but you can still develop and share your passion to the world with your digital course. So if you build a digital course, people are going to join, and you can just build everything in front, and after that people are going to subscribe to your course, and it's all going to work automatically. After that, your business is going to work for you. You're not going to work for your business. That's super important. So if you want to learn how to build a proper digital course that is going to work and that's going to make you be successful, you click on the link below. You're gonna have the free ebook, and then you can go through the steps, and you can take the training to have the digital course training. So you're gonna go through the right steps, and you're not gonna have to go on the web and find like free information in order to make your way and find like what technique could work. You're gonna have everything in one training. So if you want to have great side hustles in 2021, I suggest you: number one, affiliate marketing. Number two, build a digital agency. And number three, build a digital course. Follow your passion, guys. I'm pretty sure you have a passion and you have something that you have an expertise about. We're all experts of something compared to someone else. So whatever niche you're in, you can always build something in order to give value to the people. I had to work on myself and trying to figure out like what my life experiences gave me in order to share it to the world and to be able to give value to other people. So that's something that really is deep into my heart, and I really want to share value to you, and really hope that you can maybe create these side hustles, and maybe these side hustles are going to become your main income. Who knows? And if you really like it, you can always go for affiliate marketing, and then I'm going to start a digital agency, and then I'm going to start a digital course. So you can always mix them all, and you're going to get even better and better every day. So if you like that video, guys, please give me some comments, give me some likes, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really hope that you like that and it gave you some values. So give me some likes, comments, subscribe to my channel, click on that little bell, and you're gonna have notification when I post new videos. So take care, guys, and have a really good day.